Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Savory Wednesday. So today I prepared some epic fajitas. So I prepared some with chicken and others with beef. So I put a lot of cheese, onions and seasoning, so it's gonna be epic. I put them in the oven so they're nice and crispy right now. Let's eat! Oh my god. I want to start with the chicken one. This one is chicken. Cheers! Wow. I love the seasoning. What? This is bomb. So yeah, I used like fajitas kit. So all the seasonings and the sauce with pre-made. It's awesome. I used to make these all the time when I was living by myself in France. So I didn't put any peppers because I can't really digest peppers. I don't know why. Wow. Guys, let's have a beef now. This one is loaded with cheese. I mean, look at this. I wish the cheese was a little bit more melted, but it's good like this. Wow. I love beef. Oh my god. This is perfect. Guys, Tammy, what's your favorite Mexican dish? Because I might try to make it next time, because I really love Mexican food. I know you can make fajitas with avocado and stuff. And believe it or not, I've never had a taco before, but I love burritos. Guys, let's have another beef one. My dad actually wants some, so I'm gonna leave him two, maybe one beef and one chicken. Yes. Pretty good with the chicken too. I look so small right now. My leg hurts, so I had to change positions. It's everything. I want to have this one because it's nice and moist. I feel like it's beef also. By the way, they're not spicy at all. I wanted to have the spicy one, but they were running out, so I had to pick the non-spicy one. But it's still good. It's very flavorful though. Alright, so there's like 3 left. I could eat one more, but I want to leave these for my dad. So I'm gonna bring something else to eat. I'm gonna check. So I'm back and I'm gonna have cereal now. So I originally wanted to have this for Sweet Saturday, but I have other cereals anyways. I want to try these because they've been recommended by one of you Miamous from France, and it's the Kellogg's Extra Granola and milk chocolate. So it looks super bomb, and I'm gonna have it with vanilla flavored soy milk. They look so big, like the pieces are huge. Are you kidding? Oh my god. I'm just gonna have this much. It's like half of the bag. Oh Jesus. Alright. Oh my god, I'm excited. I haven't had cereal in like forever. And these look so good. Okay, cheers! Wow. It freaking landed in my boob crack. This is so good. With the vanilla soy milk, it's amazing. I love it. I hope you guys like the ASMR. It's amazing. There's like whole grains inside. It's so good. Vanilla soy milk is so good. It goes so well with it. Wow. They're saying there's like 11 servings. Like, are you kidding? I just ate half the bag. How is that 11 servings? It's like 2 bowls. Wow. They have a lot of different flavors too. I think there's like fruits, like dried fruits, chestnut, dark chocolate. Wow, that was amazing. I like how this turned into a cereal mukbang. I was not expecting the fajitas to be like not so filling, so yeah. But don't worry, you will see them again for Sweet Saturday. I also have a lot of different very cute cereal to try, so that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you liked it, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe today, and I will see you for Sweet Saturday. Bye! Bye bye, Miamou fam!